Hello, creatives, and welcome to the second part of our Drawing Chakras series. Today we are drawing the 6th chakra, the third eye, which is located in the center of the forehead. The affirmation to use is I know and I think. The perception center, psychic consciousness, wisdom, intuitive, ability, visualization, and the power of the mind. Balancing this chakra helps your brain, neurological systems, ears, eyes, and nose. Pronunciation of the 6th chakra is Ajna. 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 It's normally represented by a blue color. And you can access any of the balancing techniques if you want to try for yourself. In the description below there is a link. Follow the link to a YouTube video and you will be able to meditate and focus on this chakra. Enjoy the rest of the video. Sit back, relax, follow along, or just watch me draw. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, people.